Hey guys, welcome back. I'm stopping by to show you how to make strawberry cookies from scratch right at home. And all of the ingredients that you're going to need are as pictured here. So I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of salted butter. If you use unsalted, go ahead and add a pinch of salt. 1 egg, that's at room temperature. And I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 6 strawberries that have been basically peeled and cut up in halves. I also will be using the Pam nonstick spray to go ahead and spray onto my baking sheets prior to setting these cookies on to bake. Now, one alternative, if you'd rather not cut up strawberries like this, you could probably use spread or the strawberry jelly. Strawberry spread is what I have here, the Welch is natural, but jam works in place of strawberries, so I would go with probably like a cup of it. But I like mine just as fresh as it gets here, so that's what I'm going to be using today. Of course, if you would like your cookies redder versus pinker, you can add the red food coloring, which I use like the Great Value brand or the brand from Hobby Lobby works as well. So let's go ahead and begin by adding in the butter. Now the egg and the butter should be at room temperature. Go ahead and pop that right in. All right, now besides that, I'm going to be adding the sugar and I'm going to mix until well incorporated. And add in your teaspoon of vanilla extract. The Molina brand works just fine, or the Great Value store brand. This one I'm using right now. So go ahead and mix, and then go ahead and scrape the actual bowl here and there, just to get everything incorporated. Next, I'm going to add in my strawberries, and again, that's 6 strawberries. Go ahead and mix together. Go ahead and add in your egg, and this was 1 large egg I used, and mix. Okay, now we're almost done. I'm going to go ahead and incorporate half of my flour at a time. You will want to set this at a low speed so it doesn't spread everywhere, and then speed up from there once it's all mixed in. Now for the second half. And we're all done. The batter should look something like this. So at this point, you can go ahead and start reheating your oven to 350 degrees, as you will want to bake these for just about 11 minutes. Okay, we're ready to set our cookie dough on the sheets here. So I'm just going to spray my pan on the wilting baking sheet. It works very well. So I'm just going to grab a 3 tablespoon size amount here and just place it on and repeat the process. Okay guys, so the cookies are ready to bake. It is completely optional to set these to chill in the refrigerator and sort of roll them out more into powdered sugar to have a different effect, like powdered strawberry cookies. But I'm going to leave them just as this is and bake at 350 degrees for only 11 minutes. As well, it is also optional to add strawberries towards the top of the cookie, but this works for me. Okay guys, so the cookies have baked already. As you can see, you can tell very closely here that there's like just strawberry peeps sorting out of the cookie here all the way around. So I'm just going to allow these to cool and go ahead and plate. Okay guys, so the cookies have cooled down. I went ahead and plated them. So you definitely must try. This is what they look like. And of course, the inside. So I do hope that you try these out at home. If you do, please tag me on any of my social medias. And with that being said, I do invite you to subscribe to this growing YouTube family if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos upcoming. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.